Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you can see, we are here at the Al-Kauthar Islamic Center. Today is the MYM Science Night. So over here behind me, you can see there are many booths, and yeah, so let's get this started. Assalamu alaikum, brother Ali.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Show us what you're doing here.
Yeah, so what we're doing here is we're simulating a crime that's been committed and weapons that can be used to commit crimes, and to see how people or investigators get fingerprints from those weapons. Okay, so for example, touch this. So he's touched the weapon. What I would do now is I will set this up. So then I get it close, and what this will do is give me some residue.
Is there something inside the room?
Yeah, there's water in here so that it doesn't pop. So then you can see it creates this thing that I can use to get it. What I will do now is put that on there. And as you can see,
look at that fingerprint.
There's the fingerprint. And now what I can use is some tape to extract that fingerprint.
Oh yeah, I've seen someone do that before.
And as you can see, there's that fingerprint, and that's how we find out. Then we get his fingerprint because he's a suspect, and then we match it to this one, and we know that he used this weapon to commit the crime. And that's how crime scene investigation works.
Thank you very much, brother. Assalamu alaikum, brother Jawad. So could you please show us what you're doing here at your booth?
Alaikum salam, Ali. So this is a fun experiment. So this is what we're going to show, what's hydrophilic and what's hydrophobic. Stay tuned and we'll show you what it is. Inshallah. Now we're going to show you what's hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means something that you like. Have you guys heard of the term phobic?
Yes.
Something phobic, this phobic, I don't know. It's just,
you can't take it.
okay, no, that means you dislike it. You're claustrophobic and you can't handle it, right? So hydrophilic is the opposite of phobic. Hydrophilic meaning you like it, okay? But what I'm gonna show you is we're gonna put color. So guys, the reason we show the color, we put different colors, is to show you how it happens. Because white, yeah, okay, white, you can't really see how it's gonna react. So what do you guys think will happen here? Is it gonna be a phobic or is it gonna be a philic, Muhammad?
So red here by the body.
It's not claustrophobic,
Yellow.
phobic is different. It's hydrophilic,
come in.
hydrophobic. Use
Yellow,
the
you are at the
scientific
table.
name. Okay guys, so Muhammad, put it in the middle.
So red is over
Show
here.
us what's gonna happen.
Yellow is over there.
Bismillah walillah.
Now dip it in the red.
Okay, guys.
Move it around.
Okay, see guys. Exactly.
How come I did not work?
No, but look how it's fleeing from the different colors, right?
MashaAllah.
Right? So what is the term called?
Why are you doing this?
Hydro.
So nice. Hydrochloric acid.
We said we have two words, hydrophilic, hydrophobic. We said philic will like, that means we'll come together. Hydrophobic. So next time when we ask you what this is, it's hydrophobic, okay? The soap is hydrophobic to milk, okay? Soap and milk do not react together. You just saw. We just proved it by milk and coloring, right?
The experiments are going well, and it's a fun experience.
Yes, it's fun.
Yeah.
And now we're about to go into this mysterious room. I wonder what's inside.
So for this demo, I'm gonna grab 2 volunteers. I will choose the quietest people I'm seeing. I see a lovely young lady over here in the blue hijab. And how about Mohammed Mehdi? Come here. Mohammed Mehdi. Okay, what's your name? Sarah and Mehdi. Okay. So we're going to be working with 20 volume hydrogen peroxide. Have you guys ever heard of hydrogen peroxide? What do you normally use hydrogen peroxide for when you're at home? Hands up, please. Yes, Marwa. You can use it for laundry. What else? Yes. All right. Okay. Toothpaste. And I heard something over here. Hair dye. So yeah, I actually got this from a hair salon. From your local drugstore, you'll only get 3% hydrogen peroxide, and people usually use that for. They use it for like disinfecting. So if you get a cut, your parents might have put it on you and then would burn you, and then you think your parents hate you because they're putting you in so much pain. But in reality, they love you. So this is relatively dangerous. It's 6%, so it's more concentrated from what you get in your drugstore. And I'm just going to put a bit in this flask.
That's not a bit.
So hydrogen peroxide is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Now naturally, this chemical undergoes a decomposition reaction. So over time, it will get degraded into hydrogen only and oxygen only. But this happens very, very, very slowly. But what you can do, you can speed up the rate of reaction by adding a catalyst. A catalyst is any form, it could be a protein, it could be any substance that will just speed up the rate of reaction. In this case, our catalyst is yeast. So I'm going to add, actually let's have a YouTube. What color do you want us to use? This is, we have blue and we have red. You want your blue? Blue.
Let's get started. Are we gonna make elephant toothpaste?
And I need soap. Can you get soap?
This is elephant toothpaste. Like a lot of them. I like elephants, and I don't like elephants.
Okay, Muhammad Hassan, can you pour some dish soap in here?
You know what elephant toothpaste
Yeah.
is? It's like soap.
Put some more. Don't be shy, you can put more. You can put more.
Finish it. This
All
is
right.
elephant toothpaste.
That's enough, that's enough. All right. Okay, so we are going to put 1 tablespoon of yeast and mix that with 3 tablespoons of water. So do you want to measure out the yeast?
What's water?
H2O. So this is just dry yeast or instant yeast. In the laboratory setting, people might use magnesium iodide or manganese hydroxide. Yeah. Put it in here. And how much can you measure out? 3 tablespoons of water. Right here, here's the water. You could just scoop it up.
You've seen full, right? Like
Yeah, that's fine. 1, 2, and 3. And can you mix this all up?
he's like,
You can use the smaller spoons if you want to mix it.
no.
Okay. So now we have our yeast ready, and I'm going to pour this in here. Hopefully this works, inshallah.
Look, it's gonna float.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah, it's gonna float. Everybody move that. It's float. See, it's gonna float up. See?
So, what's happening right now, the yeast is reacting with the hydrogen peroxide, and the oxygen is actually getting extracted from the chemical. So what you're getting is a whole bunch of oxygen atoms are now being released, but they're mixing with the soap we put to make this foamy material. And if you guys touch it, now this is completely safe. If you guys touch it, do you want to touch it? Touch it?
It makes you die.
Is that cold or warm? It's warm. So this reaction is called an exothermic reaction, which means heat is released. Don't eat it.
Guys, I said that.
Why can't you
So you guys could do this at home. It's really easy. And that's the only demo we have. Give a round of applause to our volunteers.